Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RNN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. But in order to see that, what I have to do due to that gap down today is just scrunch the chart up quite a bit over here, and it'll become easier to see. So again, that's why got to move it all the way up there, just because of that gap down. It kind of threw off proportion. So what is this question revolving around? Well, the question revolves around the fact that today you got to give credit where credit's due. The price did make a nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its low points and then where the price ultimately did close, there is no doubt about it. Any rational person would say, yeah, the price made a nice bounce. Now, the very valid question becomes, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And that level is down here at 57 cents. Why is 57 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about 57. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse said, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that area of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but let's just say it goes down here. However, in this situation, behaves like that and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, I am quantifying progress as that 57-cent mark. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, keep an eye up there at the 62-cent mark, which is where the price essentially stopped going up on the day. But in my opinion, top priority by far going forward is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's more so about going through healthy consolidations and trying to chip away and start to maintain some higher lows. Because as long as higher lows are being built over time, everything else will take care of itself. So nice bounce today. Let's see if the bulls can build upon it or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.